Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini Nano Manipuri only ways. Start by charging the Gemini Nano fully, then power it on and update firmware if prompted. Open Settings, select Manipuri Language Pack, and allow any permissions requested. Position the device in a quiet room for best voice recognition, and speak clearly when testing commands. Keep charging cycles regular to maintain battery health and responsiveness for daily use. Learn a few basic commands to make the Gemini Nano helpful right away. Start with simple requests like asking for weather, setting timers, or translating short phrases into Manipuri. Use consistent wake words and keep commands concise so the device recognizes intent quickly. If it mishears, pause briefly and repeat the phrase more deliberately. Regular practice improves accuracy and makes voice control feel natural and fast for everyday tasks. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping that pairs well with a tidy workspace for your Gemini Nano. It even hums along while you practice voice commands, making setup less messy and more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Explore advanced settings to tailor the Gemini Nano to your needs and workflow. Create custom shortcuts in the companion app for common commands, and enable offline mode for basic utilities when connectivity is poor. Adjust microphone sensitivity and privacy options to match your environment. Regular firmware updates bring better Manipuri support and bug fixes, so check for updates periodically. These steps help the device perform reliably in both casual and focused use cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.